one ball each, swap ends, do it again, add your score up. What are we going to play to?
Well, we'll see how the timing goes.
6 or 10. And John and Jamie and Ibrahim. Oh, that's good. Yes. Out a bit and
Smaller one, it's on the side.
You guys are the brown ball.
Perfect now. We're lined up. We're doing great. It's like these.
oh, it's too short.
What's that?
You said that was called a rig.
So I'll just roll them back. Oh, we're first. Oh, okay.
Take top, bro. That's out. Right?
Oh, look at that four. Oh, look at that four.
Curve.
He's going to hook it right in. Maybe think about hitting the carpet. This is a workout.
I did the same thing.
You guys see the number 2? You see the number 2 straight in the middle? Yeah. Okay, you see the now. Depending on your speed, it's probably net scoring, right? And then if you're the closest one and you have the second closest one, you play, right? Just like bocce.
The same thing as me.
Oh, that's looking solid. It's looking solid.
Keep going. Keep going. Bars.
Oh, that's a good one. Slow down. Wow, good shot.
That was so good.
You got to see. Whoa. All right, this was, no, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That actually is pretty good. Oh, whoa.
Good strength. I like it. It might hit it. It might hit it. Come on, a little more. That was pretty good.
Another good ball.
It's got potential. It's got potential.
I didn't get any heat on it.
Good quality of life.
No.
Stay low. There you go.
Oh man, I don't know if that's. Why does it go right?
Close. Let's try. I try.
Do you lose points for being in the gutter?
I think
that's it. That's it right there.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Go around this. That works.
That was good. Sauce.
The trick to getting a long jack is not to
Go. So you have to go faster than that.
I think it. Hello. You got one. That's good. We all agree. 1 point, yeah? 1 point. Yeah, 1 point. Well done. Right there. She says it's her first time. Whatever. She's actually a ringer. We brought her in for the circuit. Did you get a point? Yeah, did I get a point?
We'll see.
I got a ring like that?
Someone was coming out. Oh, well, I think
Jamie's out of the way.
The number of rounds, or is it
Look, it's extra silky smooth today. Look at those things.
He just got back from the wax salon.
Ah, too much.
I did the same thing.
Just throw it. Just throw it.
Oh! Who's that?
Move closer to the gun.
Oh! Is it blinking?
Oh no, we have to do a big yeehaw. Yeah.